Welcome to Redline Review. The 2026 Ford Motorhome strikes a balance between contemporary amenities, dependable performance, and comfort-focused design, making it a formidable competitor in the rapidly changing recreational vehicle market. This most recent model, which is based on Ford's tried-and-true chassis, usually the E-Series or Transit platform, reflects the company's ongoing dedication to excellence, innovation, and adaptability. Highlights 1. Performance and powertrain. The 2026 model comes with a 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine for transit-based RVs or a tuned-up Ford 7.3-liter V8 Godzilla engine for E-Series platforms. Excellent torque from both options makes mountain climbing and highway riding efficient and smooth. 2. Layout and comfort. Inside, the Ford Motorhome's interior was created with long-distance comfort in mind. Anticipate an open-floor design with a large bathroom with a standing shower, convertible sleeping sections, and clever storage options, as well as a fully equipped kitchen, complete with an induction cooktop and convection microwave. Slide-outs are available on premium versions for even more parking space. 3. Technology and connectivity. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice control, a large touchscreen, and onboard Wi-Fi are all features of Ford's most recent Sync 5 infotainment system. Excellent visibility is provided by rear view and side cameras, and most trims now come equipped with cutting-edge safety systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and automated emergency braking. 4. Energy efficiency and off-grid. Capability. Some models come with lithium-ion household batteries, solar panels, and an inverter system that uses less energy. With its energy-efficient appliances and better insulation, the 2026 Ford Motorhome is a great choice for long-term off-grid excursions. 5. External design. Power awnings, exterior LED lighting, plenty of underbody storage, and simple service access panels are just a few of the useful features that are combined with the exterior's streamlined aerodynamic lines. Additionally, Ford has factory customization packages to meet needs for luxury touring, boondocking, or camping. Advantages. Robust engine choices, comfortable, contemporary cabin, excellent towing capacity, upgraded tech and safety features, well-equipped for both off-grid and on-grid use. Cons. Expensive high-end vehicles, bulky larger E-Series cars when driving in cities, limited customization unless coach builder variants are chosen. Conclusion. The 2026 Ford Motorhome is a very capable and adaptable recreational vehicle that can be used by everyone, from full-time van lifers to weekend campers. This RV offers luxury, performance, and innovation, whether you're tailgating in style or touring national parks.